Welcome to our in-depth review of the top 5 best rice cookers. We'll put each model through rigorous testing, analyzing build quality, performance, and key features like fuzzy logic technology and precision temperature control. Our number 1 pick stands out, but you'll have to keep watching to find out which one takes the top spot. From surprising innovations to industry-standard comparisons, stay tuned for our comprehensive evaluation and final recommendation. It may just change the way you cook rice forever. Check the links in the description below for today's prices and more details. Number 5. Zojirushi NS-TSC10 Rice Cooker. If you're looking for a reliable and compact rice cooker, this model is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for small families or couples who want to cook perfect rice and other grains with minimal fuss. The advanced fuzzy logic technology ensures that your rice is cooked to the right texture every time. One of the standout features of this unit is its multiple menu settings, which allow you to cook different types of rice and grains with ease. It's also incredibly easy to use and clean, making it a great option for those who value convenience. While it may not be suitable for large families, its compact size and portability make it a great choice for those with limited kitchen space. Overall, it's a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use rice cooker. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 6-Cup Rice Cooker Model. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to cook perfect rice and steam vegetables, this unit is definitely worth considering. It's ideal for small to medium-sized families or individuals who want easy and convenient meal preparation. The automatic keep warm function ensures your food stays at the right temperature, while the non-stick rice pot makes cleanup a breeze. A steaming basket is also included, allowing for versatile cooking options. This option is compact, easy to use, and affordable, making it a great choice for those who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. Number 3. Elite Gourmet ERC003BX Rice Cooker Model. If you're looking for a reliable way to cook rice and other grains, this option is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for families or individuals who cook rice frequently, as it takes the guesswork out of achieving perfectly cooked rice every time. The automatic switch to keep warm function is also a major plus, ensuring your rice stays at the right temperature for a long time. With its easy-to-clean non-stick aluminum inner pot and generous 6-cup cooked capacity, this model makes cooking and serving a breeze. I found it to be incredibly easy to use and convenient, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Overall, it's a versatile and convenient solution for anyone looking to simplify their rice cooking routine. Number 2. Cosori 10-Cup Rice Cooker Model. If you need to cook rice and other grains to perfection, this unit is a great option. It's perfect for home cooks and busy families who want effortless cooking. With its advanced fuzzy logic technology, it ensures that your rice is cooked just right every time. The 24-hour keep warm and delay timer functions also add to its versatility, making it easy to use and clean. One standout feature is the non-stick ceramic inner pot, which makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. This model also offers a quick cooking option and dishwasher-safe accessories, making it a convenient choice for those who value ease of use. Overall, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use rice cooker. Number 1. Aroma Arc 914 SBD Digital Rice Cooker. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use rice cooker for your home, this model is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for small to medium-sized families who want to cook rice and other grains with precision. The programmable digital controls make it a breeze to use, and the automatic keep warm mode ensures your food stays at the right temperature. With its durable stainless steel construction, this unit is built to last. It's also very convenient, offering versatile cooking options that make it a great addition to any kitchen. While it may not be suitable for large families, it's a great option for those who want a hassle-free cooking experience. And that wraps up our top 5 rice cookers. Whether you need a compact, budget-friendly steamer or a precision fuzzy logic machine, there's a perfect option on this list for every kitchen and budget. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the products featured today to get the latest prices and details. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite model, and subscribe to the channel for more unbiased appliance reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!